Welcome everyone! In this video, we are introducing the latest NOFFZ product, the ITN 1000, the first member of the IoT Test Node product family. The ITN 1000 is a test equipment that helps you test the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functionality of your product. The box includes an ITN 1000, a power supply, and 2 antennas. First, let's connect the antennas and the power supply, then plug an Ethernet cable to the ETH1 port and connect directly to your notebook. The ITN 1000's ETH1 port uses a static IP address. The default address is 192.168.0.20, so you need to set up your notebook to this range too. For example, let's use the ITN's default gateway address. After the device booted up, we can open the web page with a browser. To access the page, you'll need to enter a username and password. That'll be admin for both by default. After logging in, let's jump to the help page, where you'll find some useful resources to get started. For example, there are the example codes here. These codes are written in TestStand, LabVIEW, C#, and Python, showcasing the basic functions to help you get started with test automation. As for the API, NOFFZ provides a DLL and an example code, demonstrating how to use it. You can find the user manual behind the documentation button. Here you can get detailed information about the device. The API definition is a useful help page, where you can test all functions of the API, plus get a reference for the input parameters and examples for the results. For example, let's see the first function, get self-status in Bluetooth. Click to try it out and execute. You can see the request command and the result too. Great! Now you know how to get started with the IoT Test Node and where to find important information about the device. In the following videos, we will show you the main functions in more details. See you there.